Hi, this is Suzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on LinkedIn app. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. LinkedIn supports 27 languages on its site. The primary language used in the country you select during sign up determines your LinkedIn default profiles and interface language. However, LinkedIn allows you to change your default profile language to any of your preferred language provided the platform supports it. If you want to change your LinkedIn default language, you're in the right place. So in this video, I will show you how to change your language on your LinkedIn. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our LinkedIn app. As you can see in here, the language on my LinkedIn is English. Now I want to change to another language. How to do it is very simple. So you can just open your settings by tap on the up left corner here. Choose on settings. In here you can choose on account preferences. Tap on account preferences. Now you can just scroll down on the general preferences section. There is an option language. You can just tap on that. So you can see in here, the LinkedIn app uses the same language that is currently set on your device. So you can choose on content language. And here you can change it. Which language do you want content on LinkedIn translate into? I will choose Bahasa. You can also add another language in here, but I will just skip this and let's see. I will reopen my LinkedIn. Now the content on my LinkedIn is on the Bahasa. But if you want to change your LinkedIn app language, you can change your language on your device. You can open your settings on your phone. You can choose on language. Wait. Okay. You can choose if you want to use Bahasa. You can choose on Bahasa. Now you have a change your language on your device. Let's see on your LinkedIn app. So here you go. You have changed your language on your LinkedIn app with Bahasa. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change language on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.